96.5, Alice. The Love Court is in session.
All right, the one, the only, Miss Jessica Anderson from Anderson Coochie joins us on the phone. Another fine edition of the Love Court in session. Jessica, we got a juicy one this morning, I hear.
Yes, good morning. So this one says, hello, Jessica. I'm trying to get some information for my niece. She's currently pregnant and due in November. She lives in Reno. However, she is thinking of moving to Florida, where her mom lives, to get support and help for the baby.
Okay.
She has been in an on and off relationship with the baby's father, but he does have a felony, and she's unsure if being with him is the best decision for her and the baby. If she moves before the baby is born, what kinds of rights does the father have over the baby? Does his rights as a father change at all whether she has the baby in Reno or in Florida? Can she file for child support if she moves?
It dramatically changes if he's a felon, right?
No. I mean, not necessarily. I mean, it depends on what his felony is for, but I mean, the biological father has rights regardless of where mom moves. So she moves to Florida prior to the baby's birth, and the Florida courts are going to have jurisdiction over custody. If the baby's born in Nevada, then the Nevada courts will have jurisdiction over custody. So I'm not licensed in Florida. I don't know the laws there. I don't know if there are laws that are more father-friendly or not.
Well, don't worry. People there are crazy.
Right. Right now, while she's carrying the baby, mom's in control over her own decisions of where she lives and where she has the baby. Control over her own body,
Of course.
Right now. So, right. But if mom wants to move, I mean, I understand from dad's position why this would be rough, but if mom wants to move, then she should definitely do so prior to the baby's birth, because once the baby's born and out in the world, dad has the ability to stop the move by filing in Nevada. And, as I've said many times in Nevada, fathers have the same rights as mothers. So if he wants to be involved in this baby's life, then the court's likely going to allow it, absent some serious issues like physical abuse, substance abuse, mental health issues. I mean, the felony is going to be relevant from a custody and visitation standpoint, but it's unlikely that dad wouldn't have any rights over the baby unless the felony was something really extreme, in which case he'd be in prison anyway. So
it's so crazy that the law changes so dramatically from birth to pregnancy. Like once the child's out, now that child is a person and has rights. But before that part, the mom can move. That's weird.
I actually believe that that's probably okay. I mean, she's making decisions for herself. Now, that doesn't mean I believe that dad shouldn't be involved. I mean, I understand she's moving kind of for the reason of, not wanting dad to be involved at all.
Right.
And hopefully, for this baby's sake, dad does want to be involved. And regardless of where baby lives, dad's going to be involved. And then, child support's ordered regardless of where the baby is born. So it might be that Florida law governs child support, but it'll be enforceable in Nevada if dad lives in Nevada. So that'll just depend on what Florida law is regarding child support.
Can I just say, Jessica, that it's always refreshing to hear you give sound advice, because I think people think of lawyers as being kind of sleazy, and then you're out there just wanting what's best for people. And I don't know, it's just refreshing. I love when it's Friday.
A refreshing change.
Yeah, it is. It's nice.
Thank you. I'm glad I'm not one of those sleazy lawyers.
You're not. You're so not. You got a good heart, and it comes out every segment. It's awesome.
Well, hey, we do the Love Court every single Friday here on the show. Jessica, we have a great portal set up on our website at alice965.com where people can ask you questions 24/7, 365. You answer every single question you receive.
Yeah, and, this one came in yesterday, and I responded, and hopefully, they're listening this morning and can get some more info. And, if anybody wants to schedule a consultation, and has further questions that we don't really have time for this morning, you can always call me at 775-823-0049 and set something up.